Hello. Larry, what does this say? It's A. What does A say? That's right. A says A. This is short A. Short A says A. A, A, A. Can you say it, Larry? That's good. Excellent. So, A is sometimes at the start of words and sometimes in the middle. Can you tell me some A words, Larry?
Alphabet spaghetti.
Okay, very good. Alright, are you ready for the A dance?
Yay!
Okay, let's go. A bag. A cat. A dag. A fan. A gap. A hat. A jam. A lab. A mat. A nap. A pan. A sat. A tan. A van. A zap. Okay, let's do it one more time.
Yay!
A bag. A cat. A dag. A fan. A gap. A hat. A jam. A lab. A mat. A nap. A pan. A sat. A tan. A van. A zap.